As you can see here, I'm able to use the snap camera face filters in Ome TV. I'm going to show you how you can use that, and it will be very cool to use these filters on Ome TV. Okay, just close the browser for now. So guys, this video will involve a lot of steps, so please pay attention to what I'm going to say. Okay, firstly what you're gonna do is just install the OBS Studio. You know how to install OBS Studio. I'll give you the link in description. You can just download and install. And you'll need the working snap camera on your PC. As you know that the snap camera was discontinued, but I have a video on YouTube how you can still use snap camera in 2023. You can just go to the link in description and watch the video firstly. And after you have got the snap camera to work on your PC, we can proceed further. Let me show you, it still works. As you can see here, snap camera still works, and I have got so many lenses here. All the lenses are working perfectly fine. So just close it for now, and I'm gonna exit it from the chair because I'm gonna show you the process from the beginning. So after you have got the OBS Studio and working snap camera on your PC, you're gonna need this zip file called OBS Studio Fixer Files. I have given this file in the link in description, so just download it, and it's in zip form. Let me extract it. Okay, extract, and you can see it's been extracted here. Just open it, and we have got your OBS Studio Fixer file. Enter here, and we're gonna execute both the files. These are just the registry keys, so execute yes. Okay, and for the second file also. So this has added the registry keys for OBS camera, and close it. After you have done this, just go to the search box on your computer and type in here device manager, and we're gonna go to the camera option here and expand the cameras, and we're gonna disable the default camera of your PC. For me it's integrated camera here. You might have any other names. Okay, disable. And we don't need to disable this snap camera, just keep it as it is and minimize it. We're gonna come back to this in a while, so just minimize it. After you have done that, just launch your browser, and the first thing to do here is go to the settings of your browser and search for camera on the settings, and click on site settings here. Scroll down and then go to the camera option here. So we're gonna select from the drop down arrow here and select the camera from ESD webcam C252. This is the newly integrated camera, that's the OBS. Okay, you can't select the snap camera from here because it will not work, I know. So just select this one, SD webcam C252, and now open a new tab and just go to Ome TV. As you can see here now, Ome TV has loaded the OBS Studio camera source. Don't close this tab now, because if you do that, then we're gonna have to repeat these steps back once again. So just minimize it, don't do anything, and now launch the OBS Studio. And we're gonna go here to sources and click on plus button. Select the video capture device. Okay, so under the device, just choose the snap camera from the drop down arrow and click on OK. Now expand this camera. Okay, now go to the device manager that we had left earlier and right click on this default camera and then enable it. We had disabled it previously, now we're gonna enable it. Now it has been enabled. Now we can close this. It's done. Just launch the snap camera now. Run. On the snap camera, just apply the filter that you want. You can see I have applied this filter here, so we're gonna keep it to that. Minimize. Now go to OBS Studio. You'll see that the snap camera has been loaded on OBS, and go to Ome TV site. If it still has not been loaded, don't do anything here, minimize it, and we're gonna go to OBS Studio back and then start virtual cam from here, this option here, start virtual cam. And if you minimize and go to Ome TV now, you can see this camera has been loaded. Now you can apply any filters from the snap camera and it will have the effect on Ome TV. Let me show you. Yes, you can see this effect has been applied on Ome TV. Now you can start the video chat and it works. Hello. Hey. So that's the way guys how you can use the snap camera face filters in Ome TV site. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.